Humans have long been fascinated by the possibility that intelligent extraterrestrial aliens might exist. It's certainly not an unrealistic thought. After all, there are billions and billions of stars out there. There's a strong possibility that at least one of them might harbor intelligent life. But what might these aliens look like? Let's explore some possibilities. In popular culture, aliens tend to resemble animals that we have here on Earth, like bugs, reptiles, bears, octopuses, and even us humans. I mean, it kind of makes sense if you think about it. No one has ever really seen a real-life extraterrestrial alien, at least no one with solid definitive proof beyond a fanciful story or a blurry photo. So it makes sense that depictions of aliens would resemble what we know to be possible. And we know that bugs and reptiles and bears and octopuses and humans are possible, so why not them? But what other aliens could possibly exist out there? What weird and unique and possibly ridiculous forms might they take? Let's explore the possibilities. Let's create an alien. Where should we start? Well, let's first consider what all intelligent forms of life need to survive. We all need resources to build us up and keep us going. For us humans, we need water, food, and air. For aliens, those needs could be different, but perhaps not too different. We live in the same universe after all, and so are restricted by the same laws of physics. So, for simplicity's sake, let's just say that this hypothetical alien we're creating also needs water, food, and air. Or else we're going to need a lot of knowledge about physics and other stuff to figure out other possibilities. Now, any good living thing needs to be able to obtain the things it needs to survive. It can wait passively for them, like a plant, or it can actively go out and get them, like an animal. Because plants are kind of boring, let's say that our alien needs to actively seek out the resources it needs to survive. So it would need some way to move around. Most animals here on Earth use legs or fins or wings. Some animals slither or wriggle around. Slithering or wriggling around is kind of slow. Fins would restrict our aliens to oceans or whatever liquid they might have on their planet. So let's say that our alien moves around on legs. The next question is, how many legs our alien should have? Would 2 legs be too boring? It seems to be the most common number among aliens depicted in pop culture. What about 3 legs? Why would an alien need 3 legs for though? Wouldn't that 3rd leg tend to get in the way? Maybe this 3rd leg isn't really used much for walking. Maybe it's more used for grasping onto things or using tools, kind of like an elephant's trunk. Okay, so let's give our alien 2 normal legs, and then a nose that can double as a leg. Sometimes the alien breathes with it. Sometimes the alien grabs things with it. And sometimes the alien uses the nose as a walking cane. I guess that means that our alien's other 2 legs don't have to be too strong. After all, in evolution, if you don't need something, you tend to lose it. Let's try to think about what other interesting features this alien could have. Well, what kinds of food does this alien eat? Does it eat plants or animals or something else entirely? Could these aliens photosynthesize their own food, like plants? Maybe these aliens synthetically create their own food from vats or something. Perhaps they used to eat natural foods a long time ago, but gradually lost their ability to do so. And maybe their synthetically created food is like a kind of puree, like baby food. And so they wouldn't need teeth for chewing. Maybe they could just have a small toothless mouth from which they can suck pureed food. It might sound kind of weird to us, but hey, it works for them. What other interesting features could this alien have? Should this alien have more than 2 eyes? Spiders have 8. Is that necessary? Does our alien need any eyes at all? At the very least, our alien has got to have some way of obtaining information about the outside world. Otherwise, how can it do anything interesting? After all, we're trying to create an intelligent alien here, not some passive sponge. Would this alien see in different wavelengths than us? Would this alien be able to see in colors that we cannot? Let's give our alien a row of compound eyes. From a distance, they might look like some cool sunglasses, but really, they're hundreds of rows of tiny eyes. What about the color of our alien? Should it be gray, green, brown, black, or polka dotted? Life on Earth comes in a dazzling variety of colors, so there is no reason that life on another planet needs to be in any one color. And these colors could have many different uses. They could help camouflage our alien from predators, or they could help attract members of the same species. So, what color should our alien be? How about we give it green legs, a red nose leg, and a blue body? There we go. It looks kind of gaudy, but that's what's so great about it.
Our alien looks pretty out there so far, but we could make it even weirder. Many animals have decorations where the main purpose seems to be to identify members of the same species. Think about an antelope's antlers or a peacock's tail. We could give our alien here a few fancy ornaments also. What should we give it? How about a pair of small fins sticking from the side of its body? What are these fins for exactly? It's not clear, but there are plenty of possible theories.
So, what do you think? There are many other possible alien designs we could have gone with. We could go wackier if we wanted to, but let's just leave it here for now. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.